Hello student, very good morning. I am Ranjit sir, and today student we are going to see practice set 3.4 question number 3 and 4. This is what polynomial, and we are going to find the value of the polynomial. Here is question number 3 is if p of m is equal to m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10, then we have to find the value of p of a plus p of minus a. So again we will start solution. How will write the solution? So solution is what, student? The given polynomial is p of m is equal to what? M cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10. And you have to find the value of p of a plus p of minus a. So first we'll find the value of p of a. So how will find the p of a? So p of a, for p of a, you will replace m by a. Okay, for p of a you will replace m by a. So this will be what? Instead of m you will write a, and this is equal to what? A the cube plus 2, now m is a, so a square minus a plus 10. Similarly we will find p of minus a. So what will be p of minus a? So you will replace m by minus a. So this will be m. So this is minus a the cube plus 2. This is m square. So you will write minus a the square, and then minus, what is m? M is minus a. So this will be minus a and plus 10. Means where is m? You will replace by minus a. Now student, this will be what? We know minus a cube will be what? Minus a cube. Minus a square will be plus a square. So 2a square. This is minus, so this minus becomes plus a, and this is what? Plus 10. So cube of a negative number is always negative, and cube of any number, cube of negative number is always negative, and negative number, square of any negative number is always positive number. So here this is the what value of p of a, this is what value of p of minus a. Now we'll find the value of p of a plus p of minus a. So now we will substitute here. So this is equal to what, student? P of a. What is p of a? P of a is a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10, and then plus, what is p of minus a? P of minus a is minus a cube. So this is what? Minus a cube, and then plus 2a square, then plus a, and then plus 10. Now this plus a cube is cancelled out with minus a cube, and then minus a is cancelled out with plus a. So what is the remaining, student? 2a square plus this 2a square plus this is 10, and plus this is 10. So what you will get? 2a square plus 2a square. You add this because like terms are added together. So 2 plus 2 is what? 4a square plus 10 plus 10, 20. So student, this is the answer of the given polynomial, or this is called as value of the polynomial. So this is what? 4a square plus 20. Now student, we will move for question number 4, which is last question of practice set 3.4. Here student, again polynomial is given to you, that is p of y. P of y is equal to y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7. And then you have to find the value of p of 2. So here y, you will replace y by 2. Okay student? So you will replace y by 2. So again we will write, student, solution. What is p of y? P of y is 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7. And now you will replace your y by 2. So you will replace y by 2. Because you have to find the value of the given polynomial p of 2. So here p of this y is now 2, so p of 2 is equal to what? 2 and then this is what y is 2, so 2 cube minus 6, y is 2 square minus 5 into what is y, 2 and plus 7. And then you will simplify. So student, what you will get, just see. So this will be what, 2 into 2 cube is what, 8 minus 6 into 2 square is 4 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 7, and this is equal to 2 8s are 16 minus 6 4s are 24 minus 10 and plus 7. So this is what student, 2 8s are 16 minus 6 4s are 24 minus 10 plus 7. So just you will calculate. So what answer you will get, student? This will be minus 24 and minus 10 minus 34 and 16 plus 7 23. So 23 minus 34. So this will be what, student? Answer will be minus 11. So this is the value of the polynomial. So here P of 2 is your minus 11. So this is the answer, student. So here this question number 3 and 4 is over of practice set 3.4. Now next practice set we will start in next video. So thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day.